Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know everyone is in the house being quarantined and can't get their nails and stuff done. And some people like their nails and stuff done a lot and they can't get out and get their nails done. Well honey, I have a solution. We're gonna get Kiss nails and we're gonna glue these on. These are press-ons and they're so cute. I wear all press-ons actually, so sometimes when you see my nails done, they're press-ons because I can't get my nails done due to I have a nerve condition in my fingers, so it's hard for me to get my nails and stuff done. So I ended up getting the Bring Home Salon Kiss. These are in a medium length. They are a gel fantasy and ready to wear gel, so they're really cute. And let's see, hopefully it focuses. So they're like a peach color and they're a little bit of silver on there. I'm downstairs in my dining room right now because I had to wash my makeup brushes, so they're all over the place. But I'm gonna show you how to wear your nails long. This is my secret. So we got alcohol, we have our fingernail clipper, our filer, glue, our pads, and the nails, of course. So let's get started. You guys, this is the end results. Press on nails from Kiss. They are so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.